I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Resolution Changer app is installed and updated, because outdated builds can fail. Log in with an account that has the required permissions. Without them, you cannot change system display settings. Once done, make sure other display utilities are closed to avoid conflicts. Open the app launcher or start menu, type the app name, and press enter to run it. This gets you into the app quickly, so you can proceed to configuration without wasted time. You now navigate to the app's display or resolution tab to pick the monitor you want to modify. If the target display does not appear, refresh the device list or replug the cable. Detection issues are common and easily solved. Once the display is selected, choose the desired resolution, refresh rate, and any scaling factors. These adjust how sharp and smooth the output looks. Make incremental changes, and use the preview feature if available so you understand the visual impact. You finish by applying the new settings and watching for the confirmation prompt. Most apps revert if you do not confirm within the timeout. If the screen goes blank or shows no signal, wait a few seconds, then reboot the system or reconnect the display cable and redetect monitors. If problems persist, restore a previously saved profile or reset to default settings. Key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode or use a secondary display to revert changes when the primary display is unusable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.